Alrighty, today we are going to be removing the lower intake from the BMW E46 330 Ci. So starting off looking at this intake boot there, you can see that it has a stress crack from old age. We are going to be taking that off and installing a new one. Alrighty, so I took this 10mm socket and I started taking off the first bolt to the DISA here. It is finger tight. And we get the rest of it off, see what it looks like. Boom. There we are. It's one of those cool neochrome bolts. That's fire. Alrighty, and then next what you're going to do is you're going to take off this second bolt to the DISA. But first what you're going to want to do is unplug this clip. Alrighty, and the first thing you're going to want to do is pull the tabs on this clip and remove this from the DISA. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take a T40 Torx. You're going to, oh shit. Dude. So you know me and my magnets, I dropped the Torx 40 into the car and yeah, I couldn't find it for a while, so I was pretty pissed off. I found this thing right here, you know, another T40 wrench. So once you have that bolt unscrewed with the Torx 40, make sure not to lose it. There she is, there's the second. So we got the 10mm nut, we got the Torx 40 Allen. Alright, now the DISA will only come out one way, so you're just gonna start kind of pushing back, wiggling on her. Okay, just kind of bring her back out like that, and should be good to go. You do a quick test. Okay, check the flap by, I'm pretty sure, plugging a hole. DISA works. Good to go. Alrighty, boom. With the DISA removed, you're going to want to grab your big screwdriver and grab access to this first bolt to the intake. There we go. Alrighty, so you're going to want to grab your bigger screwdriver this time to be able to gain access to the second bolt to the intake boot, which is on the throttle body. This by far was the most difficult part, trying to get this last hose clamp off and trying to get the intake boot off of the throttle body area. But we got it. Let's take it out and check out why we're going to be replacing it. Oof. As you can see, complete rip there. This part of it looks okay. Another rip here. Yep. OEM BMW. Take these hose clamps and clean them up. Alright, so now that we have both sections off, just gonna do some routine maintenance, clean these areas up, and yeah, we'll get back to you with the new part. Alrighty, here's a little performance mod. If you get these hose clamps shining, you know, enough, you'll gain actually 3 to 4 horsepower. So that is on the intake system. That is a fact. You know, you put those on the boots, and when they're shining, man, they'll be working great. Alrighty, so let's take one of our shop rags and just kind of wipe around in there. See some dirt. Oof. Nice. This is our intake. And just to show you the rag, this whole, all of this dirtiness, you know what I'm saying, came out of the intake. So while you have the DISA valve out, I would definitely recommend kind of just putting your finger in there and like just getting it real good, because that was pretty dirty. We got the M-Tech Mother's Wax and Wash. Gonna be cleaning old girl today. And yeah, let's get to it. Alright. We need to crack this here open. Let's read the back. 1 ounce per gallon. Hose up. Alright. I'll just fill up the base of this with the wash. Should be good. And yeah, let's hit a slow-mo of this. Alrighty, let's go ahead and move our bucket to the washing location. It's been raining here in Vegas. Christmas is tomorrow. Now we're just gonna dry the car with this big rag. Boom. And there we are, the car's looking clean. You can actually see yourself in the paint. Yo. Detailed inside of the gas can area. You know, places you wouldn't even think to be clean are looking minty fresh. Alrighty guys, well that kind of concludes today's video. You know, I took out the lower intake boot as well as the DISA, did some cleaning in there, and then cleaned the car with the new M-Tech Mother's Car Wash. So yeah, check me out. Peace.